Okay, let's jump right into editing. And we start our editing with our raw conversion. If you open a raw file with Affinity Photo, it automatically jumps into the developed persona, which is Affinity Photo's raw converter. The first thing I'm going to do here is lighting up my picture quite a lot. Okay, next thing I want to do is darkening down the darks a little bit more. So using my black point, bringing it more over to the right. I think that's enough, just 3%, not too much. What you see now is that when you enhance your lights and your blacks, you also increase your contrast. And with increasing your contrast, you also increase your saturation. And I do not want this. That's why I'm going to reduce the saturation a little bit, around about 13 to 20%. Something like this. Rising the vibrance a little bit up. Just a little bit, not too much. And the next thing I'm going to do is choosing my white balance tool and white balancing the image on the white wall. Like so. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is bringing the highlights a little bit down, since they've become too light for my taste. Going to the Shadows and Highlights tab, bringing down the highlights. Like so. I bring them down quite a lot. Yeah, that's nice. Now go and press Command 1 to see the image at 100% resolution. Go to your Details tab and let's sharpen the image a little bit. It's pre-sharpening, so yes. I go crazy with this so you can see in the video what I'm gonna do here. You just sharpen the image to your taste, okay? Hit Command 0 to see the full image. Go to the Tones tab, open the curves, and slightly enhance the contrast, but just a little bit, okay? This will raise the saturation again. That's why I desaturated the image quite a lot. Okay, I think I'm happy with my raw conversion. The next step is to start retouching. So, go and hit Develop. See you in Affinity Photo in a few seconds.